This is the instruction video for how to replace a wire on the BIFRO ST.Bag system. So the bag system consists here of 6 units, 2 in the lower cabinet and 4 in the tall cabinet. The lower cabinets have a bit longer wires than the long cabinet. And these are 4 same size wires. Here we see the 4 units, and we are replacing the wire on unit number 5. To replace the wire, we loosen this nut, and then we loosen the bolts, and we can take it out just a bit so it's loose. The bolt that we just loosened holds the fixed end, and now it's loose because I just loosened it. So I'll take it out like this. The piece of the wire that was in the tube comes out by pulling this in. Now this is a new wire. There's one end that is glued to make it nice and smooth. We take this end and we slowly push it in here. To get the correct loop size, we make sure that the wire is on the edge here. So we do like this, and then we tighten with the finger just a little bit, and then when it's tightened with the finger, you tighten it half a direction. Not more than that, the plastic will break. Then you take the nut and you tighten that also, just a little, so the bolt won't, like this, so the bolt won't come out. Now if we pull the wire from the other side, it's fixed, and we can push the wire through until it gets out in the other end. Yeah. This is the sound of it being through.